Hi everybody.
Good morning.
The sun's out, bright. So we made a very spontaneous plan to ride up to Baralachala to see Deepak Tal and Suraj Tal. Wish us luck. Hope it doesn't rain the whole day. We come back safe. This is called the Commander Bridge. Woohoo! So all these lorries have been parked here. Tunnel के आगे रोड बना हुआ है. We are on the highway. It's all winding roads. ये देख सकते हो आप लोग. Oh, there's a lot of traffic coming from Ladakh. Rockfall everywhere. You know how mountains are so delicate. Riding through small towns. This is the village of Quaring. It is so beautiful. There's so much vegetation in the village. Wow. So this is a hanging glacier. So hanging glaciers are the ones who are hanging down like how you see in this video. So it's very risky to climb it. कोई approach भी नहीं करता है. So I think the approach of this peak is from the other side of it. This is the village of Gemur. यहाँ पे there's a सुंदर stupa here. Wow, that's a fancy hotel. Hi. There are fancy camps out here. You see those globe-looking camps. So they are called glamping. ये है गद्दी वाले. I think they're coming down from the high passes now because it's already end of August. They're so disciplined. Nobody overtakes the shepherd. We have reached Jispa. Stopped here for breakfast because we have not had anything since morning. Riding after a very, very long time. You had the same bike, right? You had the same bike.
Yeah, that was an older model.
Okay.
Yeah, but
How do you feel? Riding in the mountains after a very long time.
I still remember how to ride. First thing. It's good. It's
Were you nervous in the beginning?
Yeah, very nice.
You were? Okay. They're doing well.
I think new roads and this bike after a long time if you drive you feel like, oh, where are the gears? Where's the brake? And you keep checking the brakes, but it's good. The road was good
Okay.
and no traffic. So tell me, how did you feel?
I'm okay. I'm
and
not a
this-
fan of bikes,
Okay.
but it's comfortable because of the model of the bike.
Were you scared sitting behind?
No.
So you trust my
Of
right,
course.
driving.
Do I have an option, buddy?
No. Either you walk or either you sit on the bike.
Okay. और नहीं करेंगे अकीरा. Bye. अकीरा. चलो. We have reached Nasha. So this is the longest bridge on the Leh Manali highway, and look at the basin of Aga River. It's so big. Wow. Oh wow. This is our India. Indian Himalaya. Change of plans. Instead of Baralachala, we are going to Shinkula Pass. It's just 40 kilometers from here. Oh, I would have. Oh, अच्छा नीचे आ रहे हैं लोग. Okay, relax. But this bridge went down, we don't know when, but there is another road which has been made by BRO. God bless the souls of BRO. We are 16 kilometers before Shinkula, but यहाँ पे रोड बंद है क्योंकि वहाँ पे ऊपर excavators are working on the road. Let's see, if they open we'll go up, if not we'll turn back. We spotted a few cyclists going up to Shinkula. That's so awesome.
Goli.
Okay, 9 kilometers to go. I think that somewhere there is Shinkula Pass. We're very close to snow line. It's getting chillier, so we thought we'll stop and layer up. I think almost reached Shingula Pass. Oh, it's so cold. We have reached Shinkula Pass. How do you feel after riding so high?
Now I'm flying.
Yeah, so we're on Shinkula top. This is the altitude. This is the first time that we have ridden so high. We have gone on expeditions up to 20,000 feet. Wow, we're so excited to be here. It's windy, it's chilly. Just wow! So the road down there goes to Zanskar. And then from there you can also go to Ladakh. Oh, the weather's so good. The gods on our side. Finally,
Yes.
we came down a little from Shinkula because there were a lot of people there, and it's not nice to make videos when people are around. So we had an amazing day. So this is what it looks like. Woohoo! We are so happy. हमने मतलब एक्सपेडिशंस बहुत किया है, ट्रैकिंग बहुत किया है. वी हैव गॉन अप टू 20,000 फीट, बट ये पहली बार हम बाइक राइड पे आए 16,000 फीट तक. और मतलब बाराला चला जाना था, बट आगे शिंकुला पास. बट नॉट अ बैड डिसीजन.
Yes.
वी ऑलवेज टेक कैलकुलेटेड रिस्क. हम ऐसे ही नहीं आके आए, थोड़ा बहुत पढ़ के ही आते हैं. पता था शिंकुला के बारे में. अभी पहुंच गए अच्छे से. अभी नीचे जाने का है. क्लाइंबिंग हाई इज़ ऑप्शनल, बट क्लाइंबिंग लो इज़ मैंडेटरी.
आई थिंक हायर पासेस से आपको एक टाइम फ्रेम रखना चाहिए. तो 12:31 क्योंकि हायर पासेस इफ यू सी अराउंड अभी क्लाउड्स आने शुरू हो गए हैं.
ये देख लो,
बेटर कि आप नेक्स्ट 2 घंटे में
उतर जाओ.
पहुंच जाओ नीचे सेफ एरियाज में.
क्योंकि नीचे 2 नाले भी हमको क्रॉस करना है कि वी जस्ट होपिंग दैट वो बढ़ नहीं गया हो. सो यस, वी विल रीच केलोंग और डारचा एंड अपडेट यू.
नीचे बाजार है ना,
कौन सा डारचा?
दारचा में.
हाँ,
दारचा से थोड़ा आगे जाना पड़ेगा.
आपका एक वीडियो लूँ?
ये लोग भी
डारचा में रुकोगे आज?
दारचा में आज
फिर कल?
कल तो निकल जाएंगे फिर गेलंग.
ओह अच्छा अच्छा. कितने बेड़ी है आपके पास?
बेटी है 400 बेटी है, 400 बकरी है.
Have reached Darcha. Oh, we're having dal chawal with lasun ka chutney, scrambled eggs, and this view.